Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today we're going to talk about natural lighting. How does natural lighting affect us? Well, it can affect you biologically and psychologically. It can either improve your mood or just mess with it. On top of that, it also decreases depression score and increase your cognitive performance. You know, your thinking, problem solving, and attention. So what are the elements that can harness this natural light and uplift your mood? Let's find out. Curtains. If you want to get that natural lighting coming through, choose a semi-transparent one. A sheer one like that lah. And I know a place that sells a great one, HM World Group. Paint. Yes sister, it helps. Choosing a brighter colored paint will naturally lighten up your mood. Flooring. Well, it really depends on the material and the color though. So opt for something lighter like light wood floors. It makes the room look bigger and brighter. Beautiful, bigger, and brighter. Psst, psst. The maple strip from Eco Plus collection is a great light wood finish. Gives your room some character without making it look dull. If you like this video, click the like button and comment down below. More on this, click on the description above. See ya!